Hello everyone, welcome to today's new episode. Today we will discuss Echo 4th generation spherical design with rich sound, smart home hub, and Alexa. First 10 people will get 20% discount if they buy from our YouTube channel. Let's get started. Premium sound. Rich, detailed sound that automatically adapts to any room. Supports lossless HD audio available on select streaming services such as Amazon Music HD. Voice control your music. Stream songs from Amazon Music, Apple Music, Spotify, SiriusXM, and more. HD requires a compatible music streaming service. Smart Home Hub. Built-in hub to voice control compatible lights, locks, and sensors. Easily set up compatible Zigbee devices or select Ring smart lighting solar lights and bulbs. Alexa is ready to help. Set timers, reminders, and alarms. Alexa answers questions like Alexa, what time is it? Start your routines with motion. Turn on compatible lights, play your flash briefing, or turn on the coffee maker when you walk into the room. Connect with others hands-free. Call friends and family who have the Alexa app or an Echo device. Instantly drop in on other rooms or announce to the whole house that dinner's ready. Privacy controls. Designed to protect your privacy, Amazon is not in the business of selling your personal information to others. Built with multiple layers of privacy controls including a mic off button,